Think you're saving money using contractors? You might be breaking the law. Many cleaning business owners think independent contractors are the easy way to avoid payroll taxes and benefits. But the IRS and Department of Labor are cracking down hard. Misclassify just one worker, and you could face thousands in back taxes, penalties, and legal fees. But there's a legal way to use independent contractors, and here's how. First, control outcome, not method. You can assign the job, not dictate how it's done. Second, use a contractor agreement, not an employment contract. Third, pay per job, not per hour. Flat rates equal safe territory. Fourth, they bring their own supplies. No shared tools or uniforms. And fifth, no employee treatment. No set shifts, no staff meetings, no discipline. Follow these 5 rules and you're legally protected. Want to scale without the W-2 headache? The referral model might be your freedom ticket.